Hey everybody, it's Good Time Gal. Today is September 12th of 2025, which is National Chocolate Milkshake Day. Just want to point out, these have been some really easy cooks, but they've been delicious, they've been nostalgic, and they've been exactly what Good Time Gal wants us to have. So today, if you are following along on my blog, goodtimegal.blog or goodtimegal.com, you will see a chocolate milkshake recipe, which we will be doing today. So let's get started. So for the ingredients, super easy. You're gonna do 1.5 cups of chocolate. I did Detroit Grand Slam chocolate, 2 scoops, and then I did 1 scoop of the Mackinac Island fudge because I like that fudgy chocolatey taste. You're gonna need 1/2 cup of water, almond milk, regular milk, whatever milk of your choice. I'm using water today. You're gonna want 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. And you're gonna want crushed nuts, whipped cream for the topping. That's it. We're gonna blend it, pour it, and we're gonna enjoy the shake. I'm gonna add the liquid first. Then I'm gonna add the ice cream. And ice cream is slightly soft, so it's not gonna work my it's because I don't have a, this has been here for a minute, so I don't have a top. I'm just using my top. And I'm just gonna pull. Needs a shake. Shakes look really well when you do it in a large, nice, tall glass. And then, of course, whipped cream. Whipped cream went crazy. I'm gonna drizzle some chocolate. Top it with walnuts. And this is your shake. Cheers to National Chocolate Milkshake Day. You did it. Pat yourself on the back. Happy cooking.